Hello, this is Vera. We are at Fujivista factory. Our factory is a 40,000 square meter factory with 60-meter testing tower. We focus on reliable safety and high-performance elevators on each details. Fujivista is an international brand of Zhejiang Eco-Lift. Now let's have a look at the workshop. We are in the shipping area. These wooden cases are ready to be loaded on the trucks and shipped to our clients. Now my colleague is tightening the screws to make sure everything is assembled. These are counterweights. For example, this one is for 3,000 kilograms. Now my colleague is machining the traction sheath. This laser machine is used to drilling. Here our colleagues are bending steels to prepare the metal plates for elevators.